Staying compliant is easy with the KeepTruckin driver app. Let's go step by step to help you ace a roadside inspection. First things first, you'll likely be asked what tool you're using to track hours of service. To check what mode you're in, tap the menu icon and select DOT inspection to confirm you are operating in ELD, AOBRD, or Electronic Logbook mode. When an officer requests to view your logs, here's what you do. First, for privacy, you can lock the KeepTruckin app in DOT inspection mode by holding down Begin Inspection. Until you're prompted to enter a 4-digit access code, the officer can swipe left or right to view your logs. You have the option to print, email, or fax your logs. If you're operating in ELD and the officer requests an output file, click Send Output File. Output files can be transferred via web service or email based on an officer's preference. You'll be prompted to enter the officer's official comment. Now that you know how to share your hours of service, here are some other helpful tips for roadside inspections. ELDs are required to be secured to a fixed location that can be easily viewed from a comfortable seated position. You can view the DOT reference card here if the officer requests this documentation. And the ELD malfunction manual can be found in Help and Support under Compliance. For questions, email us at support@keeptruckin.com or give us a call at 855-434-3564.